Good morning, Central Oregon, and welcome to Legacy Realty's Sips and Tips with Shamice and myself, Amanda.
Yeah. So we have some exciting news. Happy Acres is coming to town, Amanda.
Yay!
He is going to be full of pumpkins and ready to give them away here at Legacy Realty. Academy Mortgage is joining us. We have a coloring contest going on. Visit our website or Facebook page and you can download the coloring page or come here to Legacy Realty or visit Tyrell Hobbs at Academy Mortgage for your sheet. Bring it in on Saturday, October 24th for your chance to pick up a pumpkin while supplies last and drop off your coloring sheet.
Yes.
And go ahead.
And then we will draw the winner for the coloring contest on the Trick or Treat 6th Street event the following week.
Yeah, so October 31st, come on down. We have treats for all the trick-or-treaters, and also we'll be announcing the winners of that coloring contest. So, we'll see you this Saturday, and we'll see you next Saturday.
Thanks, Central Oregon.